Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Khurram Jinjua from Jhelum City, Pakistan, and today I'm going to discuss the listening format 2022. Dear viewers, most of the students of IELTS they get confused and they do not know how to take up the listening test. Remember one thing, listening is the most important module, and you can achieve 9 out of 9 bands in listening modules. Why? Because you have to go for the conscious listening practice. The more you'll be conscious, the more you can enhance your band score. So in this regard, you have to go for the daily practice, and you have to go for the conscious listening practice. Well, so far as the listening test format is concerned, there are 4 parts of the listening test, comprises 40 questions, and in part 1 it is the one word only. It may be a table completion or form completion, and it may be a dialogue between the two persons, and there may be a numbering as well, and no more than 3 words. So you should be ready for the format, because when the sheets are distributed, you must have a look for the format that you are going to attempt. Okay, go for the part 2. In the part 2 there are short MCQs, and there can be a map completions. Yes, the map is the most tricky one. It's not as much tricky. If we put conscious effort, we can very well go for the right attempt of the map completions. Okay, and there may be a table completion as well in the part 2, and it is also based on no more than 3 words. There may be a matching of table as well in part 2 as well. Okay, another very important technique that I'm going to share with you so far as the reading test is concerned. Remember one thing, you will be given 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheets. So in answer sheet, your answer sheet will be scanned through the IELTS Cambridge IELTS portal, and so you need to use the dark lead pencil, because your answer must be vividly written. When you are attempting the test on the answer sheet, there might be a loose writing, but the writing that you have to write on the answer sheet, that should be vivid, that should be clear, that should be legible. Okay, that you can get the better result of the IELTS portals. So we'll go for the part 3 of the listening test. There may be MCQs of question 21 to 30, and there may be a matching completion as well, numbering as well, and whatever the situation is, you have to be vigilant, you have to be very much focused. The more you'll be focused to the test, the more you can get the very good bands. Okay, listening is normally the first test, and the first test should be better, and it should show your confidence. In part 4, it is also a one word only test, and one word or number maybe, and sometimes you get unusual questions related to the MCQs. So you have to keep in mind that these strategies and these formatting before attempting the listening test, and hope you all the best, and Khurram Jinjua truly wishes you all the best. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.